Hi, in the lesson 1 example, So You Want to Be Happy, we'll review the concepts of individuals and variables. The American Statistical Association sponsors a web-based project that collects data about primary and secondary school students using surveys. We used the site's random sampler to choose 40 U.S. high school students who completed the survey in a recent year. One of the questions asked the students which they would prefer to be: rich, happy, famous, or healthy. The table below displays data for the first 10 students chosen. The rightmost column gives students answers to the question. Now, our goal in this example is to identify the individuals and variables in the data set, and to classify each variable as categorical or quantitative. Now, you remember from the lesson, individuals are represented by each row in a data table, while variables are represented by each column. So, in this particular example, we know that for individuals, there would be 40 U.S. high school students who completed the online survey, and each of those students is represented by a different row in the table. For the variables, we'll look at each column. So we have state, grade, gender, age, birth month, height, arm span, and preferred status. We'll want to categorize these as either categorical or quantitative, and you'll recall categorical variables assign labels that place individuals into particular groups. So for this example, the state where the student lives, the grade level, the gender, the birth month, and the preferred status would all be categorical variables. Now notice grade level is numerical. However, it doesn't make sense to take an average of this, so we'll consider grade as a categorical variable. For quantitative variables take number values for which it makes sense to find an average. So for that, we'll say age, height, and arm span are quantitative variables. For some additional practice with individuals and variables, try exercise 1.